Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup QuickBooks Online company data for audits. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To backup your QuickBooks Online company data, start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Export Data. You'll see different options for exporting your data. Choose the Reports tab to download specific reports that might be relevant for audits. Select the desired reports you want to export by checking the boxes next to them. Once you've selected all the necessary reports, click on the Export to Excel button. Save the Excel file to a secure location on your computer. Next, return to the Export Data screen and go to the Lists tab. Here, you can export lists such as customers, vendors, and products. Select the lists you wish to backup by checking their respective boxes. After selecting, click the Export to Excel button to download those lists. Now, let's move on to transactions. Go to the Reports section again and look for transaction reports. Some important ones might include profit and loss, balance sheet, and transaction detail by account. Click on each report you want to download and adjust the date range if needed. Once configured, click the Run Report button. After the report is generated, find and click the Export button. Choose the option to export as an Excel or PDF file, depending on your preference. Save these transaction reports in the same secure location on your computer. Make sure to regularly repeat this process to ensure your backups are up to date. Additionally, consider using third-party backup solutions for added security. By following these steps, you will have a comprehensive backup of your QuickBooks Online company data for audits. This will help you remain organized and prepared for any future audits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.